As of January 1st, 2025, all newly manufactured HVAC systems throughout the industry are required by regulations to use refrigerant with lower global warming potential. As part of our commitment to a more sustainable future, American Standard has redesigned its HVAC products to not only exceed those requirements, but to operate more efficiently as well. That means you could see savings through energy incentives and your monthly utility costs. But if you already own an American Standard system, don't worry. Even with these new regulations, existing systems using a traditional refrigerant like R410A can still be repaired if needed. We'll be working closely with our extensive network of dealers throughout this transition to ensure they are equipped with the necessary parts to repair your unit for years to come. And there will be an ample supply of R410A through recycling and reuse efforts, so you won't have to worry about a refrigerant shortage. If you're a homeowner that has recently updated your HVAC system, repairing a unit might be the better option for you. However, if you've had the same system for years and you're looking for a more efficient, sustainable option, now might be the perfect time to replace. Whether you choose to repair or replace, it's important to talk to your local dealer to discuss the right options for you.